Hello everybody, my name is Michael and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I wanted to take a quick second to showcase my most recent project, my portfolio website. I wanted to challenge myself to learn React. There's a lot of fun learning about components and how to use them together in various ways to actually build a whole site as one. I wanted the site to be very clean and professional, not have any noise or fluff, and provide the necessary information such as my resume, experience, and projects. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. Here on the home page, you see I have just a resume section, education, and a GitHub, and we are responsive here for mobile as well, which is nice. I am at GitHub. I have a button here to actually visit my profile for my GitHub. And then I just have a picture here of my contributions for this year. In my About section, I just have a quick About Me, a blog section where I can post blog entries about my thoughts and feelings about my learning journey so far, which I plan on doing, and my project section, which is what I really wanted this site to showcase, as the projects are kind of what's most important, as well as my employment experience and things like that. As you can see, we have a blank here because that is this video, but here you can get a nice display and quick view of my demo videos for each project and a quick about, and as well as what kind of languages they all use, and with a link to actually visit the project site or repository. And again, our page is responsive for mobile as well, which is really nice. And then we have a community tab, which is fun to showcase 3 ways to actually connect with me on LinkedIn, this YouTube channel, and actually join my community Discord. It's really awesome. There's links to actually do so for each, and it has this cool little formatting. We have some hover effects throughout the whole page to kind of indicate where you're at and have a nice flow. And we are using routing to actually link these pages together, which is really nice. You can access this site through michaeldeming.com, where it's being hosted using Vercel. Thank you guys so much for joining me here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great one. Bye, guys.